Hello everybody, welcome back to Expedition Homestead. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be a recap video of a really cool experience that I got to have recently involving beekeeping. As you can see here, we're preparing the smoke can to go into the hive. If you don't know, the smoke is basically just a little bit of a sedative to calm the bees down as we enter the hive for the inspection. There is 2 tiers to this hive. It has 2 levels. I don't know the manufacturers exactly, but if I find that info out from my friend, I will put it in a link down below. Now just opening up the hive to expose the frames. Today's inspection is basically to make sure that the colony is healthy, happy, and thriving, and then you'll also clean up some of the comb that the bees are building around the frames. Opening it up here, you can see that there is so many of them. This was such a cool experience because I got to, for the first time, be engulfed by a swarm of bees, and to see how intricate these structures were that they would build was also really cool to see firsthand. Watching it on a video is a total different experience compared to seeing this in person. A little bit more honey on this frame here as it's further developed towards the center of this hive. You can see even as we break away the frames, the bees are trying to get at that honey and use up as much as they can during this process. Now this was extremely neat. You see right towards the center of the screen, a little bit towards the left side, we have a bee that is hatching right in front of our eyes. Today's inspection went well. These guys are working at building a bridge, I think. The hive looks pretty happy, and hopefully I can make some more bee content for you in the future. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next episode.